In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how to easily search for and apply amazing video effects to your projects using the CapCut application. CapCut has quickly become a favorite among video editing enthusiasts because of its intuitive interface and extensive creative tools. Recently, they rolled out a new update that added a handy feature, the ability to search for video effects by simply typing in their name. As you might know, CapCut offers a wide variety of video effects, but until now, it didn't have a search function for these effects. Now, let's get started and make sure you have the latest version of CapCut installed on your phone. Once you've updated CapCut on your phone, you'll need to restart the application. After restarting, open CapCut again and scroll to find the Effects button. You'll notice a new search bar at the top. For example, if you want to find the blur effect, simply type blur into the search bar. The blur effect will appear, and you can tap it to apply it to your project. And that's all there is to it. Now you can easily find and use any video effect you need in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.